Hey there, I'm Daniel from Envision Consulting. If you're checking out different IT providers, you've probably already noticed one thing. MSP pricing can be confusing. Some firms say it's $100 per user. Others talk about computers, servers, firewalls, backups, patching. It's enough to make your head spin. So let's break it down. Most managed service providers charge in a few common ways. Some can charge per user or per device. Others can charge per hour, while others can use tiered packages. But what does that actually mean? Per user or per device, it might sound simple. You get a fixed rate, but make sure you always ask what's included. For example, some start with a low fixed rate, but then they tack on charges for countless add-ons. That's where the real cost shows up. With an hourly agreement, be careful with having unrealistic expectations on your IT needs. Overages can be very expensive. Tiered packages, think good, better, best. Different service levels, but even then, the devil is in the details. And here's the tricky part. A lot of providers aren't clear about what's included up front. You might see a low cost, then find out later that things like cybersecurity, monitoring, or after-hours support all cost extra. At Envision, we're all about transparency. We don't believe in nickel and diming. We want to help you ask the right questions when you're comparing providers. Is cybersecurity included, or is that extra? Do they charge for onboarding, offboarding, or new device setups? What happens when you need on-site support? Is it included or billed hourly? Do they include strategic planning, an IT roadmap, a technology plan? These are the things that impact your real cost, not just the sticker price. You want a ballpark idea of what services like ours might cost? Check out the chatbot right here on this page. It'll ask you a few questions, your size, your needs, and give you an estimate based on how we typically price our services. No email required, no hard sell. Well, thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you find the right provider for your business.